My name is Arya Sakunde and I have created Shape City by using only shapes. We learned properties of 2D shapes and 3D shapes in our math class. This building top is looking like square. Square has 4 corners and 4 sides. This building top is looking like rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. This building top is looking like circle. Circle does not have corner but one side. This building top is looking like cone shaped house. Cone 2D shape is triangle. Thank you.
I am Dandi. These are some 3D shapes. This is prism. This is cylinder. This is triangle pyramid. This is cube. This is cone. This is triangle pyramid. This is square pyramid. This is cuboid. There are some more 3D shapes in our daily life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prem Kumar. We will learn Max Chrysalis. We can see so many things around our different 2D and 3D shapes, like sun as a circle, like book as a rectangle, like ball as a sphere. There are real life example 2D and 3D shapes. Carom board dice, chessboard dice, water bottle is tea. Thank you.
Can you guess what shape it is?
Okay, triangle, 3 corners.
It's correct answer. Which clap do you want?
Which class you want? Bubble clap. Bubble clap.
Dip, blow, 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 tap, tap, tap.
Okay, very good.